Menteri Ketenangan Excise Kyrmen Shylla ulaong baka jingther lapbah ha kejela. Kala bandai kedau jong ke jingjah rngai jong palat 1,000 metrik ton dewiong kumbala kedau ha ka 31st interim report kabala IT Dangshan Dau Justice retired BP Kataki Hakmat ka Yingka Syari Meghalaya High Court. Kat kum ke jingong ke jong ule se namar ke jingjur slap ha ke jela kala ban long ke dau bau dewiong ula syara ha ke bat kani ke labu ha ke jing pan lap ya ke te ke jingjah rngai ka deina ke jingle jong kibor ke mariang nena ki kambean. Haka arpusan trik naitung ke Yingka Syari Meghalaya High Court kala betha ya ke jela bahkan le da ke peting persya ki briu ni ki officer sorkar ki badai khmi yau dewyong ubadon palat 1,000 metrik ton ubala ja rngai na ke snong rajaju bat dingan bat bantuet ki briu ki badon keti hakani ke jingkit bean. Dei banga persyang ban pensisya yela de lanina ke benta ke jela ngai syukwa ban penken mau ba ke Meghalaya ka de ka wei na ki jela ka bajur slapba bat namar kani ke dau kinu ki la banja. Lada piken mau ba kala don ka wei ke jing keno ba namar ke kendo bat ka jingjur slap ha Meghalaya. Kalawan ra ka jingshlei ha Assam bat khamtam ha East Jingther Hills baro ka na ka district college sa Bangladesh. Pimla ban tip namar ka jingslap dewyong ula ban syara ha ka kum kini kila ban wanja namar ka jela ka de ka bajur slap ba ong Kyrmen habakren syakilat pathai khubor ha ka arpu pratrik naitung. Wala ka tau menteri ula ong ba don tan ya ki jingtep ban pensisya la kani ka jingjah rngai ka de na ka jingdon jong ki kambean lani na ka jingle ki bor ka mariang. Henry watla kata ngamla ban ong, ngamla ban syukuno tang ya uslap, kala ban day ne kala ban day. Ngam don setiai ke jingtip batikna, bat ngamla ban ong, la ka don ka kamle bian. Henry namar ki don ki bor badai kami halor kane, kam day setia ban don ka nukunu ke jingle ka bibian, ha ka bay day bat ke jingti ne ke jingkit ya dewyong. Day ban le kat kum ki kendon jong ka an ula ong dah ka benrap. Kata ka day ka bangas ngo bat ka jingyo ya uslap bajur ka long ka ba ban ong ba ka la banday ka jingsha rong no ha ka lani ka day ka bakit bean. Halor ka jing keno halor ka kamti bat syalan dewyong bean ka badangay biteng ha Meghalaya. Menteri ula ong ba kamdon kanu ka sakhi satar ban pensisya ya kini ki jingkam bat benrap ba ki don bun ki tenat ki badon ya ka jingkit kli na ka benta ban tokit ya ki jingkeno bat ban pensisya ling ba ki sakhi satar. Henry ngangej baki briu jongi lada ka day na ka benta ban kamay jakpo kila ban le ya ka lenti ka babean lem kumta on don ki bakwa ban le ya kinu ki kam ka babean kabala ban kata ya ka jela ne tang ban shoes ngo tenat kin le ya kanu ka babean ula ong. Menteri upentip ru ba ka jing perbena jong ka sorkar ban sedang ya ka jingti dewyong kat kum ka jing start sayan ka day ka bala priang sobha daki pat ba bat kin don benta haki kambean ki bala ban pengat haki jing jong ka an.
When it comes to food, it's not that I'm trying to justify myself or for the state. Just would like to remind us that Meghalaya is one of the highest rainfall. So being the highest rainfall, and anything could happen. If you remember, where there's one allegation mentioning that because of the soil and because of the rain in Meghalaya, that the flood happened in Assam, and especially from East Jingther Hills, all those water it goes to Bangladesh. So never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high. So still then I cannot blame just the rain. It could be or it could be not there, but I really don't have any kind of details with me to say that whether there's any illegal. But I believe since we have the authority to look after this, there should not be any kind of practice illegally when it comes to transportation or mining, whatever it is. It should be as per law. So that is what I feel. And being the highest rainfall is very difficult to say that whether it's carried by the rain or is carried by any kind of transportation. Allegation, it might be against anybody, against any state, any department, but it's just that we need to have a proof whether it's a fact or not. So for this, they can try department is there, the frontline department and different sources is there. They can find it out and they'll get the result. But I believe that our people, if it is for survival, they might do it illegally. Otherwise, nobody wants to do any kind of illegal methods where it can hamper the state, or just for enjoyment, they will not do any kind of illegalities. But if it happens that about to die just for survival, then though I cannot say it might be. But I believe our people, they will not do such kind of thing, illegalities. They are much happy, especially with the announcement of Chief Minister regarding with this scientific mining, where all of us we are happily welcome it, and we would love to see the light of the day with this mining, scientific mining. So I believe that our people will not play such kind of fool things where the court or the law will have a chance to point fingers on us. Because of it's a rainy season, I cannot say exactly, but our people are trying, those who got the license, especially Ma Thomas families. So they have gone ahead and we are waiting for the light of the day. So looking forward as early as possible that the government, the moment they got the coal and they give them a challenge, then we can transport the coal legally to any source who required our coal. When it comes to influx,
Hakabay day ke jingya kendu jing haka late kawan namar ke jingshna ya ke surok National Highway 6 uba Kyrmen ulayo iya ke ni ke jingshna ya ke surok bat ke jingmi upumpum bat ya ki lingkhot lingkhai kum kadak jong ke jingroy hapo ke jela. Nga ai ya ke jingyaro ya ke sorkar halor ke jingshim ya ke ni ke sinjam ban wanra ya ke roy kapar ha East Jingther Hills bat haki way par ki benta jong ke jela. Kumba kalong mentah kalong ka besyam shitom Henry ha ka bekut hadin bala pendap lut ya ki aka baro ngin saklat lut ya kini ki jing bat ngin saya lek kemen bat yo ya ki jing mentoy ha ka roy kapar bala wanra da ka sorkar ulaong.
kind of construction, when there is a development, you'll always see dust, debris, all those things. That is a kind of that is a sign of development. So if nothing move, then you see nothing. So I really appreciate this government for taking the initiative. The initiative to bring development, especially to East Jingther Hills and different part of our state, where we could see as of now we might suffer. It's difficult that we have to paint the house and all, but in the end, after everything completed, then we'll forget all these things and we'll enjoy the benefit of the government.